In this video, I'll be showing you how you can perform a guild invite in solo leveling arrays. So this is the main guild interface. So how to head here? So just click this. Then this NPC will bring you into the guild interface. So once you click the R button here, it will redirect you into your guild. Now how to perform an invite? So just click this NPC again and then head to guild management. Then it will be redirected into the invite page where you have to invite someone. So just click this invite button and then input the tag name of the person and make sure that you exclude the hashtag symbol. So for example, it's this name. Just input their tag name strictly. Then click the search button. As you can see, this person is unable to be invited since they already joined into a guild. So for this button, make sure that this person that you are inviting is capable of joining a guild or they don't have any existing guild. So this button should be invite. So just click this button and then this person will be invited into your guild. Basically, that's it. That's how you can invite someone into your guild, and thank you for listening.